If your garage door won't go up and down, you better have us come around. Eden Garage Doors have been repairing and installing garage doors for residential customers throughout Auckland. If your current garage door is damaged or not functioning properly, we can diagnose, repair, or replace any parts. We offer garage doors in a variety of styles and colors for every need and every budget, including garage door openers and accessories. For peace of mind and honest professional advice, for repair of your existing garage door or purchasing a new garage door, Eden Garage Doors, your garage specialists.